So over here you can see that I am in PHP MyAdmin through localhost, which I'm running through WAMP server. So I'm maintaining an e-commerce website right here where I have some databases, as you can see. So inside of e-commerce, you can see that I got the e-commerce database right here. So let's say I want to go ahead and check out my orders. So let me just click. But wait, what happened is that it says the table order is marked as crashed and should be repaired. So I may have important data right here, but I cannot access it. But there is actually a way to repair it out. So now to repair it, first of all, I need to go ahead and copy out my data folder and make a backup of it. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto my taskbar and then go to my WAMP server right here, which I'm using to run the local host, and then I'm going to stop all the services right here. So now I have stopped my WAMP server. So now I'm simply going to access out the folder where I have my database files stored. So to do that, I need to go to the Explorer window right here, and I have my database stored in WAMP. That means I have it saved inside of C drive right here, inside of WAMP 64, and then inside of bin, inside of MySQL. You can go around onto the SQL version, and here you go. There is the data folder right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to go ahead and copy this to make a backup of it. And then I'm going to go ahead and, let's say, for example, paste this out right here in desktop right here, just like this. Let's just wait for all the files to be copied. And over here now, you can see the data folder right here. So now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and repair this data folder out. And to do that, I can go to my browser right here and then go ahead and go to a new tab. And then I'm going to go ahead and, let's say, for example, paste this particular URL or type it in repair.stellarinfo.com/mysql and press enter. So once you go ahead and do that, you get to this page and you can go ahead and create an account as well. And now I'm going to go ahead and upload my corrupted database right here so I can repair it. So over here you can see that repair MySQL is an option. So let me just go ahead and click right here. And now what I can simply do is select this data folder right here, which I copied in desktop as a backup. And now I'm going to click on upload right here and click on upload again. And you can see various folders right here, but I'm just going to unselect it. And I'm simply going to go ahead and select out the database that I want to repair. So let me just go ahead and click on upload right here, just like this. And it is uploading, as you can see. And you just need to wait now. And now the data folder has been uploaded. And now what I'm going to do is click on Start Repair right here, and it analyzes out the database. So now you just need to wait again. And now you can see that it has actually repaired my database and it's generating the preview for you right here. So now you got to wait again. And now you can see that it has completed out the repairing process right here. So now what you can do is you can go ahead and preview and you can see all of the data right here. Like you can see the orders, like for example, whatever details there are right here, like product details, everything is here as you can see. Apart from that, now I can go ahead and save out the database file as well right here. And then I'm simply going to go ahead and then close this out. And here you can see that you can go ahead and download out the SQL file right here as well. So this is basically what you can do. So you can go around over here and then simply go ahead and download out the repaired file right here, just like this. And as you go ahead and do that, you can see the repaired database file right here, just like this. Using the online tool is one way to repair out your database, but if you have a larger database, like let's say for example databases that are more than 5 GB, you may want to go ahead and utilize the offline or the desktop version of the Stellar Repair for MySQL. So if I were to go ahead and then open this up, you can go ahead and click on Browse and select out the data folder right here, just like this. It is the same process as we did with the online version. simply go ahead and click on OK right here. And once you do that, you can simply go ahead and click on OK. And the process is the same again right here. You can go ahead and uncheck out the database list and simply go ahead and select out the database that you want to go ahead and then repair out, and click on repair right here. And you can see it says the selected database has been repaired successfully. And now you can see that all the data right here are allocated accordingly right here. So now you can simply go ahead and save this out. You can save SQL script or HTML or XLS format of recovery data right here. So let's just go ahead and select out SQL script right here. And now you can simply go ahead and select out a folder where you want to go ahead and save this out. In my case, let me just go ahead and then select out desktop and click on save. And it processes out the data, as you can see right here. And over here, you can see that I have the SQL file right here. It is still processing, as you can see right here. So you just need to go ahead and wait for a bit. And then you can see it says the saving process is completed and the recovered database right here is saved out just like this. And that is how this tool is very useful. So you can utilize the Stellar free online MySQL database repair or the offline version or the desktop version as well to repair out the databases to save your effort of maintaining up data easily.